how to buy APY, the AgentiPy or AgentiPy token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. So the liquidity of this token are locked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. So this token came under the Solana network, as you can see. Now the best choice to buy this kind of token that came under the Solana network is by using the Phantom wallet. Now let's go and click here to copy the token address. Now open your Phantom wallet. Now click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your network. Click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token, just click on it and now type here how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. Now after that, select the provider, for example OKX or Jupiter. Now after that, make sure to read all of that information, and after that click on swap and you will be redirected to OKX provider page to complete the buy process. If you find any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it. Now after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy APY, the AgentiPy token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.